Excited to check out another album that just came in. Let's open it up. Beautiful box, nice thick quality box. Little album care instructions card. This cover looks amazing. It was Michael and Madison, November 29th, 2025, just this past fall. And this black and white image is printed on a nice fine canvas. You can come in close, you can see the texture a little bit. See the binding, page quality. Started off getting ready. Really cool bridal suite. And then the guys hanging out downstairs, getting ready. They had an outdoor ceremony, and being late November, it got dark pretty early, so the sun literally set while their wedding ceremony happened. Beautiful ceremony. Then we did some formal photographs inside the house. Bridal party, some family pictures, some beautiful portraits of the bride and groom. These guys were really going for kind of a classic, stylish look. First dance, introductions. And Madison changed her dress, so we had to get a couple more pictures of that. And she sang a set with the band, and everybody was dancing and having a great time at that point. More partying and dancing. And a couple of see you later shots at the end of the night. What a beautiful album.